People think eating healthy on vacation has to be expensive. But honestly, this is one of our favorite ways to travel. We pack a cooler with fresh ingredients from the market, cook together at our Airbnb, stay active, and save money while actually enjoying ourselves. Welcome back to Organic Essentials, where we make real food recipes. We like to start our mornings with a little movement. Nothing crazy, just enough to feel good and stay active while we travel. We'll hit a quick warm-up and workout to get our blood flowing, and sometimes we'll do a little mobility or abs depending on how we're feeling, but really the goal is just movement, sunlight, and feeling good in our bodies. And one thing we've learned is that vacations feel way less stressful when we're not constantly eating heavy restaurant foods for every single meal. So instead, we'll grab fresh ingredients that are easy to prep. It saves so much money and actually tastes better half the time because we actually know what's in our food. We don't have to overthink it either. You already paid for the food at home or at the market, and now you're just stretching it into some extra meals while traveling. During the day, we'll usually spend some time working outside in the fresh air, answering emails, editing videos, doing whatever we need to do. Slowing down like this together is one of the best parts of travel for us. Dinner is where we like to make a vacation feel extra special. Tonight, we're doing grilled steaks, sautéed bok choy, and air-fried potatoes. Real food, simple ingredients, cooked fresh and eaten by the sunset. This is exactly why we love bringing food with us on short road trips. Instead of dropping hundreds of dollars on daily restaurant meals, we can cook something amazing together. Relax, pour a glass of wine, sit by the fire, and actually enjoy quality time together. Healthy living becomes way easier when it stops feeling restrictive and starts feeling intentional. Movement, sunlight, real food, slowing down, cooking together. These are the things that make us feel good physically, mentally, and financially. You don't need a perfect diet on vacation. You don't even need to spend a fortune. Sometimes the best memories are just cooking simple meals together. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Eat well, be well, and we'll see you next time.